So dashboard and pivoting are intertwined. They are almost the same thing, but in a different form. Now, after you pivot all your information, after pivoting all your information, this is our table. Now I want to convert this table to a chart, because my dashboard always comes with charts. Most dashboard are charts inclined, so you have to convert this particular pivot to charts. So what do? I'm still going to do a recap of this tomorrow, so just listen carefully. So we still have two topics to go, which is this dashboard and Google Form for this week. So we have this table. You come to pivot analysis. When you click on this particular pivot table, you will see pivot table analysis. What do? Here you want to convert this pivot table to pivot chart. By your right side, you will see pivot chart. Very simple. Pivot chart. You click it, pivot chart. It will bring all charts for you. Then you select the particular chart you want to use for this particular table. Let me say I want to use bar chart. Here you click on OK. You see, you have it here. Mind you, we are trying to create a dashboard, so just follow me. We are not going to use PowerPoint this time around. We are using Excel to create our dashboard. It will be interesting to see what this thing can do. So you have this for rep. So let's name this. Rename this. You click on the total. Let's rename it sales rep revenue. So I'm going to delete. I want to delete this. I'm going to delete this intentionally. You can leave it. You can actually leave it. Okay, let me even leave it. Let me just remove this button. You right click this button. This is rep button that you are seeing. You right click and you said hide all button. I've hide it. This particular plot area, this one that you see, this line, I click on it, I delete it. This total, click delete. Yeah, this one I might decide to delete it, I might not delete it, but let's say I just want to play around. I click on it, then go to design, come to quick layout, then I'm going to attach number to it. Now what am I going to do? How do I create my dashboard? Let's create a new sheet and call it dashboard. This is where we want to create our dashboard. Okay, I already have dashboard, so let me put dashboard 2. So let me highlight this portion and give it another color just to rhyme it, so that it won't look like an Excel. So I'm going to copy this charts. I will copy this chart, come to my dashboard 2, then paste my chart here. I'm going to paste my chart here. Let's say I have it here. I go back to my sheet. I create table for this one to go to pivot. When you click on this table, you go to pivot table analysis, then pivot charts. I'm going to choose a different. Let me choose let me choose pie chart. So let me hide all this button. You click on this sum of quantity. This, you have it here. Hide all. I hide all. Then this, I call it sales by region. So I copy this. So I'm going to do just 2 examples because my battery is very low. Sorry. I copy this direct to this place where I have my dashboard. I paste it. Let's say I have it here. Let me reduce the size. So I have it here. So we are creating a dashboard right now. Now what do you want, what do you think? So this is what we are going to do. We are going to create what we call slicer. Mind you, you can always change the color of this your bar chart. You just come to format. After clicking, you come to format, then shape fill. Let me give it red. So you can always change this to suit what you want to do. So you click on this chart. If you want to create a dashboard now, you click on this chart. Mind you, click on this chart, then go to pivot chart analysis, then click on insert slicer. You will see it here, insert slicer. I click on insert slicer. So far I'm dealing with sales rep, so I click on sales rep here. It's going to give you a drop down of what we have: release date, state, manager, sales rep, product type, quantity. So far this particular pivot chart is dealing with sales rep. I click on state sales rep. Okay, so I have this slicer here too. I do the same. I'm going to do the same here too. Pivot insert slicer. So sales by region, or let me choose manager now. I want to deal with manager. I don't want anything to have to do with region. So manager. So I have my manager here. Let me add one more. Okay, let's just leave it this way. So we have this. If I click on Afatai, you will see Afatai chart only will be reviewed here, but what you have here is not attached, it's not affecting this sales by region, it's not affecting this one. So what do? We have to link sales rep, this slicer, with this slicer. How do you do that? So that we can have a seamless workflow. So what do? When you click on this slicer, you right click. When you right click, you go to report connection. You click it, then after clicking it, you check this box. When you check it, you have linked this to this. You said okay. Then you come to this particular slicer too. You right click it, you do the same thing, report connection, you join them together. So anything I click here will affect the rest. You see, this is what we call dashboards. Anything I click here affects the rest. Sorry, I have a very low battery. Remain 30 minutes. Yeah, so anything you click here will affect the rest. Now we have only Abuja and Kogi as the region. So what you click here affect the others. You can just cancel all. You see, we are back to our square one. So you can be you may want to do a presentation for your managers. So when you create your dashboard like this, you create your pivots and you create your dashboard, you create your slicer. This is what is called dashboard in Excel. Mind you, in Excel, this is what is called dashboard. So it will make your work easy. Even if you have thousands of charts, you just have to align. Let's say we want to have this again. You come here, pivot table analysis. You create your charts. Let's say you want to use other chart method. Let's say this. You see, then you copy it. I can drop it here. So you drag this one to the right, then pick this. So you have another dashboard here. What do you have to do? you go to your pivot table. After clicking it, you create a slicer for it too. You create a slicer for it too. You create a slicer, or you might not even want to create a slicer. You just have to link this to this table again. Let's see, maybe it's going to link. Okay, we already linked it. So you create you create another you insert another slicer. Let's say we call it what is it called now? Where is the iPhone prototype? Yeah, you click it, prototype. You have another slicer. Then what you are going to do is let's link it just like we link 1 2. Okay, let's see, maybe we have it here too. Is it linked? Is linked. Is it linked? Let's check. Report connection, all are linked. So if we click this, you will see it has joined the movement too, meaning for charger, the people that are doing well here, you can easily, let's say, design layouts. I want it in percentage, so that we can be seeing the percentage. You can see we have Abuja in this color. Abuja do 23 of charger alone. So if you click iPhone, you will get the full details of iPhone. If it's Nokia, you get the full details, like you are drilling down to Nokia.